completed already household use of microbes, in which we saw two things. One, wherein we are taking microbes, making products with their help, and second use was check microbes and use them as products. ये हमने household में देखा था. Industrial में the very first thing that we studied was alcohol formation. Second thing that we studied was organic acid. Everyone, vitamins is what we are doing now. After vitamins, we have plant growth hormone regulator, gibberellin. उसी के साथ साथ NCERT mentions the third part under industry, that is bioactive molecules, and the second will be the enzymes. So जो third part है on right hand side page of NCERT, it mentions three things: organic acid, bioactive molecules and enzymes. So हमने organic acid already पढ़ा है. Vitamins is what we are studying extra. Okay. So in this we are studying main three: vitamin B2, 12 and C. For B2, microbe uses Neurospora gossypi and Erythrothecium ashbel. For B12, Pseudomonas denitrificans and C के लिए Aspergillus niger. The reason I went fast here is this is not mentioned in NCERT. Okay. So you will be sticking to NCERT because वही से examples और सारा पूछने वाले. You will be very focused over the names of enzymes, over the names of bioactive molecules. Match the following आते हैं. Okay. And the next part that we will be studying today, that is sewage treatment, which will be towards the end of lecture. Everyone please pay attention. I understand that this will be your last lecture for the day. Yeah, so all of you will be in haste of going home already. So the reason why I am telling you is, please pay attention. The last part at the end of the lecture, I will be talking about sewage treatment plant. I need 100% attention क्योंकि वहाँ से conceptual questions आते हैं. And it is little difficult to understand. So once you understand वो कैसे step wise जा रहा है, then we will be studying it in detail. Okay? So अगर आपको basic चीजें steps ही नहीं समझे तो you cannot relate each other. You cannot understand कौन सा step कैसे related है and you cannot solve those questions. Am I clear? So by the end of lecture, I don't want anyone to be in that mental frame. चलो घर जल्दी जाते हैं. Finish करो topic अच्छे से and then we will go home. Even I want to go home. Okay, so first I am finishing all the smaller topics. So this is gibberellin. Gibberellin is a type of growth hormone which is produced by higher plants and fungi. Okay. So when we talk about gibberellin, it is a type of growth hormone of plant and it is produced by higher plant and fungi together and they promote stem elongation. So gibberellin क्या करेगा? Stem का elongation करेगा. Japanese scientist was the first one to discover or isolate gibberellin, and this gibberellin was from rice seedling which was infected with fungus. तो ये जो राइस का सीडलिंग है वो इन्फेक्ट हो चुका था फंगस से, इसके वजह से gibberellin की डिस्कवरी हुई. It was not actually deliberately infected. Are you all understanding? So, Gibberella fujikureo is the name of fungus. We have 15 types of gibberellin which are isolated. In this, you are just giving an introduction. Plant growth regulators में you have all types of hormones जिसमें gibberellin पे almost एक पेज है. Okay? यहाँ पे हम क्या क्या points याद रखेंगे? Gibberellin is used for stem elongation. It induces parthenocarpy. That is development of fruit without fertilization of seed. तो सीड बिना फर्टिलाइज हुए ही फ्रूट बन गया है. Okay? And it is seen in apples and pears. while it can be also used for breaking the dormancy and induce flowering. So these are the uses wherein we can artificially also use gibberellin. Naturally तो करता ही है. What do you mean by parthenocarpy? Yeah. So any other example than apple and pear that you know? Grapes are seedless. Banana. Pineapple. Strawberry is the another example of false fruit. Which is So basically, when we are talking about parthenocarpy, यहाँ पे मेल और फीमेल गैमेट का फ्यूजन नहीं हुआ है और फिर भी सीड फॉर्मेशन और फ्रूट फॉर्मेशन हुआ है. Everyone? Okay. What is seed पहले? सीड बनने से पहले वो कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर होता है? Ovule. So we have that statement, ovule is fertilized seed. Oh sorry, the seed is fertilized ovule. Okay. Similarly, when we talk about fruit, what is fruit? Fertilized ovary. Okay. तो यहाँ पे अभी सीड के अंदर जो एम्ब्रियो जनरली होता है आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन वो तो है, पर वो किसने फॉर्म किया है? नॉट बाय फ्यूजन ऑफ गैमेट्स. Here the structure like thalamus and all will come and fertilize, mimic fertilization. Okay. So right now, when we are talking about parthenocarpy, you have two types of partheno in the syllabus. अगर parthenocarpy हुआ तो it is without fertilization in plants and formation of offspring in animals is called as parthenogenesis. दो टाइप के पार्थिनो है. द वर्ड पार्थिनो मीन्स नो फ्यूजन ऑफ गैमेट. कार्पी आया तो प्लांट में है, जेनेसिस आया तो एनिमल में है. एनिमल का कॉमन एग्जांपल इज हनी बी. ओके. सो जिबरेलिन क्या क्या करेगा? स्टेम एलोंगेशन, ब्रेकिंग डोर्मेंसी, पार्थिनोकार्पी इन एप्पल एंड पेयर, एंड लास्ट वन इंड्यूस फ्लावरिंग. एवरीवन? So the next thing that we have to study is use of microbes to make enzymes. In NCERT, they have mentioned pectinase, but they haven't mentioned the source. They have mentioned lipase, but they haven't mentioned the source. They haven't mentioned cellulase, neither invertase, streptokinase, the streptococci, and the last one. So we will be first doing NCERT related and then we will do the others. Everyone, can we start? The pectinase along with protease is added in the bottled juices. Fruit juice जो आते हैं उसमें ये add किया जाता है. So that the fruit juice bottle becomes clearer, almost transparent. Okay? So why is it done? What will be the action of protease and pectinase? To break down protein. Everyone, digestion में पढ़ा already. So ideally, whenever the fruit juice has been extracted, do we understand that it is very thick? घर पे निकाला तो. And how long can you store? Depending upon the juice, even though you refrigerate, you cannot keep it for a month because वो तब तक खराब हो जाएगा. उससे पहले ही खराब हो जाएगा. Everyone agree? So do you go and add microbes every day उसमें खराब होने के लिए? That means it is already present. Okay. When will the microbe grow in it? When will the microbe grow? Okay, temperature is one of the condition, but what is most important for any organism to grow? Nutrition. So microbe grow तभी होगा जब उसमें कुछ nutrition media है microbe को grow होने के लिए. So the microbes will start growing, and while growing they end up contaminating the juice. Already proteins है, sugar है, fructose होता है fruit juice में. So already sugar है, so microbes will start acting on it, and then the juice becomes contaminated. You cannot drink it. It is not advisable, right? खराब हो जाता है. So to avoid this step, ताकि microbe इसे खराब ना करे, उसका लाइफ शेल्फ बढ़ जाए, what will company do? They will start adding enzyme. क्योंकि अगर फूड ही डिसॉल्व हो गया, डाइजेस्ट हो गया, तो माइक्रोब किस पे सर्वाइव करेगा? सो लाइफ शेल्फ उस प्रोडक्ट का बढ़ने के लिए दे एड दिस. So the bottle juices are clearer as compared to the homemade fruit juice. Are you understanding the concept? Okay. Then comes lipase. Lipase is your surf excel दाग अच्छे है. Okay. But now I am not talking about variety of stain that we can master on the clothes. But here we are exclusively talking about oily stains. Okay. So lipase will act on lipid. Already इसका function भी digestion में देखा है. They are used in detergent preparation and they help in removal of oily stains from the laundry. Grease, oil, ये सारे stains कौन हटाएगा? Lipase. So lipase will be